Hi folks, just thought I'd give you a quick update on this glorious day. Envious of all you guys running around in your cars, but hey ho, I've still got work to do. But anyway, let me show you what I've been doing and what I've still got to do. I'm removing these top rails. The first one has gone, completely gone, as also has gone the side rail that I put on about 18 months, 2 years ago. And the reason being is that I spotted that this wasn't looking quite right. The angle of this compared to the upright, it wasn't in line, it was all skew width. So I took that off, and that's going to be straightened out as well, and then I can weld that back on along with the top rail. When it comes to welded fabrications, especially when you're happy with what you've already got and you are intending to replace something, then it's very important to take a lot of dimensions so that when you insert the new metalwork, and in this case it's my new top rails, I can adjust the new metalwork's position and keep checking the measurements that I've already taken to make sure that I can achieve the original dimensions. So you see, size really does matter. But for now, I've just got to concentrate on getting those two top rails done. So the other side is good. I'm happy with that side. It meets up nicely to the front subframe. The upright's in the right place. It just looks so much better. This side was always bugging me because it just didn't seem to line up properly, but it's off now. The wooden sides, I'm happy with those now. I've put an extra screw in at the top there just to fasten it back more solid to the steel work. And I've come up with a way of actually properly welding the box section to the angle iron, so it will be nice and strong. There's going to be a big overlap on it. It's going to be welded all round, so it should be very, very strong when that's all done. I've still got to trim down to this line here because that's going to be the final trim line for the edge of that panel. Here we are in my little welding booth, come spray booth, come grinding cell. Yeah, it's everything, this little space just to keep the dust down, so it works well for me. What I've got to do here is I've scribed a line, centre line down there and onto this tube. So I'm going to grind all the weld away there, and then I can just rotate that round very slightly so as it's in line with that rather than being skew width, which is if you can see that, yeah, you can see from there how that one kicks out. What that does, that little kick out, it's not a lot, but it's enough to force the front subframe that holds the radiators, to force that into a slightly uncomfortable position. Just puts a bit of stress on everything, and you have to push stuff to one side to get the bolt holes to line up. So what I'll do is I will, once I've straightened that pipe, that tube out, molded it back up again in there, then I'll bring it out, attach it to the car, tack weld it all up in the neutral sort of stress-free position, and then finish welding it all up. So yeah, stress, that's something you get plenty of building one of these, that's for sure. Anyway, that's it for now. I'll catch you in the next one.